If you've got a stinky mother of a car, maybe you need Mothers. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. This is my 95 Dodge Avenger. It's like Tony Stark in an aquamarine blue suit. Anyway, cars like this, they tend to acquire some smells. Mostly from me driving it naked after working out hard and then just rubbing my body into those cloth seats. And if you have those types of smells, your pet, your kid, your nasty, nasty athlete's foot, whatever it might be, well, maybe something like this is going to help you. Listen, it's not just for you. It's for those passengers that have to get in the car and they're like, there's something going on in this car. And they're trying to hold their breath or roll down the window. It's a sign. It's a sign your car stinks. Now, Mothers Odor Eliminator and Refresher. This one says new car scent. I'm kind of curious what this smells like because this ain't a new car. It's a 30-year-old car. And if it smells like a new car, I will eat my hat because I'm sure it doesn't smell like a new car. Because new car actually just smells like new plastic and glue. But if it smells good, instead of kind of stale, kind of old, like deteriorating foam, which a lot of old cars smell bad because of deteriorating foam, then this could really help. It's an odor bomb, very similar to all the others. So we just start the car, start the air conditioner, put the sucker in there, close it up. It's going to cycle through all the vents. Yeah. Impregnate all the little fabric surfaces, your floor mats, all of that jazz. And then it's actually going to smell pretty strong. That's usually what happens. So let's fire this thing off and see what the car smells like afterwards. It'll smell like something. I guarantee that. Will it work? I don't know, but it'll smell like something. I do kind of want to move with a purpose here because once I start this, I don't want to get in my face. So I'm going to go ahead. Oh, there it goes. Like a bomb. It is a bomb. All right, so we're all wondering what it smells like now. And I can tell you that, it's hard to kind of describe this. I feel a little bit like winter is what comes to mind. There's a little bit of like an Altoids minty smell. Does it smell like new car? No, not at all. Not any new car that I've ever had, but it just smells kind of like a clean, fresh, like a Febreze, but minty, wintergreen, that kind of thing. I mean, it has a pleasant smell. And when I first opened the door and got in, it was pretty overbearing. But you've just dumped a whole can of this stuff into your car. I've got the door open here. The car is off now, so it's not blowing it around. I think, what I've heard is that people say that this smell disappears. That's kind of my experience, that just over time, it kind of lingers a little bit. A lot of people are like, after a couple weeks, it's totally gone. My experience is usually that it kind of lingers a long time, just like faint smell. And sometimes I do want it to just freshen everything up and then disappear and leave no smell at all, totally unscented. That's usually not what happens. You usually get a little bit of the smell, but instead of hanging one of the Christmas tree air fresheners there, you're just kind of impregnating everything, and then that kind of sticks around for a while. It smells nice. You know what it smells like to me is like aftershave. That stuff you put on your face after you shave. I mean, maybe a lot of guys don't do that anymore, but that's kind of what it smells like to me. Decent. A little Davidoff Cool Water-ish, maybe something like that. Maybe a sports underarm deodorant, that kind of a deal. It's nice, not obnoxious. It's definitely starting to fade, or maybe I've just breathed in enough of it now. I'm kind of getting desensitized to it. I don't know if it gets rid of, but definitely minimizes that more overbearing old foam, old cloth, old plastic smell. I don't think you can ever get rid of that without getting rid of the foam, without getting rid of some of the undercarpet lining. That's a big job. But just kind of minimizing that and lifting it up a little bit. It's kind of like what Meghan Markle does. She just elevates everything by putting it into plastic bags. And this is what that is. It's elevating your existing interior, except it's actually doing something. And it only costs $6 instead of like $45. Hey, if you want to pick up this Mothers Odor Eliminator and Refresher, trust me, it doesn't smell like new car, but it does smell fresh. It does smell clean. It does smell a little wintry. And if that's what you want, then you're going to like this. Peter von Panda, out.